This trick I'm going to be revealing in this video applies to both WhatsApp business and the WhatsApp itself. So it doesn't matter whether you are using WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. So it applies to all the WhatsApps that we have on Play Store. So what you do is that is a simple trick. I've made this video before, but the video is short, so many people are saying that they don't understand because I only tried this trick 2 times, and then I know what it feels because it's a little bit confusing. So I decided to make a long video about it so that I can try as much as possible for you to understand this trick because it's very important. So what you do is that you select the 3 charts that you have pinned. When you select the 3 charts that you have pinned, it's very easy and simple if you pay attention to the Microsoft. So you select the 3 charts that you have pinned. In a normal circumstance, WhatsApp only allows you to pin only 3 charts, but with this trick you can pin as much as the chart that you want. So pay attention to the Microsoft. So you select the 3 charts that you have pinned. When you select the 3 charts, so this is what I'll urge you to do. What I'll urge you to do is that the chart that you want to pin after the 3 charts that you have pinned, make sure it is in front of the 3 charts that you have pinned. So after the 3 charts, make sure it's fourth or fifth or sixth, so that you can see it early, you can see it fast and then pin it, because what you are going to do need fastness. You have to be fast. So what you do is that when you select the 3 charts that you have pinned, you archive it, then you select you pin the fourth one that you want to pin, and then you undo the archive. So let's do it. So the 3 charts, you archive it, then you pin this one. You see, like you see how confusing it is. You see, I'm not able to catch it. You see, I'm not able to catch it. So let's do it again. Let's do it again so that you understand. So you have to try this. You have to do it fast. I'm very happy to because this has been an example to me, so that you learn from it. You have to be fast. So you select the 3 charts again, then you archive it, then you pin this one, then you undo the archive. You see, you have to be fast. So now we have 4 charts. So what we do is that we select the 4 charts again, archive it, pin this one, then undo the archive. You see, like now we have 5 charts pin already. We have 5 charts pin already. So let's try it one more time. So what you need to do is that pay attention to the undo button. Undo button is here. If you do the archive, the undo button is here, but it's not going to take long, it will go. So you have to be fast. Pin the chart that you want to pin, and then undo the button. So in this video you have to pay attention to the undo button and the archive here. You have to be that is the 2 things you have to pay attention to. So let's select the 5 charts that we have pinned, and then archive, pin this one, and then undo the archive. You see the chart that we have pinned now. So it's very fast. It's very fast trick. So you have to be fast about it. Okay, so let me know whether you are able to do this trick. Let me know in the comment section. Comment down in the comment section done, and let me know whether you are able to do this trick. And then you can share this video to any person that need this trick, or any friend or family that need this trick. And then if this is your first time meeting my channel, you can consider by subscribing to the channel. In this channel I share knowledge about graphic design, how to design good flyers, and then so many on. And then I also share tricks on WhatsApp, the tricks that you can increase your WhatsApp status views, and so many more. So you can consider by subscribing to the channel, and then I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep creating.